Hi there, and welcome to Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to live with purpose, passion, and perseverance. Today it's Tammy Tip Tuesday, and on Tip Tuesdays we share one tip a week related to a common theme. Our current theme is how to make a fabulous first impression. And today we have tip number 2 in the series. But first, as always, a quick programming note. If you're watching this as part of the Everyday Vacay Cyber Seminar series, just be aware that these Tip Tuesdays are part of our public YouTube channel. So comments that you make here will be public, as opposed to our classroom videos in which the comments are contained to the classroom. Okay, so back to how to make a fabulous first impression. And tip number 2 is to be sure and maintain eye contact. And eye contact can be tricky because if we don't make eye contact, it makes us seem shifty and insincere. But if we maintain constant eye contact, it makes the other person uncomfortable. They feel like a bug under a microscope. The best way to counteract that is to simply smile. Relax, use expressions in your face, and just be natural. And if you feel the need to practice that, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to Tim Ferris, who's a fairly well-known author. He has an eye-gazing video, which is simply him staring into the camera for 3 or 4 minutes. If you will play that and talk to him a little bit, it will let you practice in a non-judgmental situation over and over and over, and that way you can feel what it feels like to maintain that eye contact but also be casual and natural. And so you can play that as many times as you want, and you can practice without judgment. Also, if you have a pet, cats in particular, but dogs as well, are great practice for talking and maintaining eye contact, for using that expressiveness and naturalness in a way that lets you practice without fear of judgment or repercussions, because they will let you try again and again and again. So if you have a pet, they're great practice. If not, check the link below and Tim Ferris will be happy to help you with your eye gazing. So there's your Tuesday tip for how to make a fabulous first impression. If you'd like to add to our conversation, you can always drop your comments in the box below, but I know if you're watching on some streaming devices, you might not be able to get to the comment box below. In that case, just head over to TammyTalk.com, hit that social tab, choose your favorite social media network, and comment there. We look forward to hearing from you. And if you're just generally tired and frustrated, click the link below for a free cyber seminar that details the causes and the cure. See you next week.